Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Brandy.
And today we're just going to the beach and stuff, and like I have to get gas and wash my car, so we're gonna do a little beach vlog.
It's gonna be a fun day.
Hopefully it turns out.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
So we're at the beach.
Yeah.
We just got gas and
It's
stuff.
really windy.
It's super windy, so hopefully you can hear us, but like
There's Adrian in the hammock behind us. You can see.
you can't even. Oh, there he is.
You
But
guys
yeah.
have met Adrian.
This is the beach. There's Caitlin.
I can feel tomorrow's light on my face. Feel it in my soul past yesterday. Listen for the light to know I'm okay.
So cute.
I can feel the pain that got washed away.
What the hell? Oh no!
Sometimes they'll
Oh my
test
God.
your soul, but just stay true. Sometimes we just don't know. The light shines through. Sometimes you have to go, and I'll go too. Sometimes
So we're going on a walk.
Send help. There's like bush everywhere.
There's literally so much bush. So
Wait, show them the trail.
this
It's,
is
like,
what we're walking
so
down.
tight. They're like, "Oh, it doesn't work."
If I walk in a spider web, yeah. Literally,
We're
there's
gonna
the
go
beach. So yes, we are going through the bush. There's like a, what's it called, a dock over here. Yeah.
Oh, on the other side.
Yeah.
but the light is there, it's over now. They'll take you. They'll make you.
Oh my god, we look so bad, but we just got done at the beach.
Yeah.
Ew.
It's so hot.
Yeah, it's so
In this
hot.
car right now.
It was super
I'm
windy though,
freaking
so we're
dying.
just like, my hair's so naughty.
Yeah, hopefully you guys can't hear the AC. You probably can, but that's okay.
That's okay, but now we're gonna go shopping
Yeah.
and wash the car.
yeah.
Tomorrow wasn't here, but you had to go. I could feel the tears deep down in your soul. I took away the pain so that you could glow.
I'm the holder. I'm holding this.
She's helping.
I'm helping.
We just don't know. The light shines through. Sometimes you have to go, and I'll go too.
Car is washed.
Yes, all clean.
So we're back at Caitlin's house.
And we're making dumplings.
Literally so random.
Yeah.
Just we're like, let's go make some dumplings.
Yeah.
So
but
yes.
hopefully they turn out.
Yes. I'm on pork duty.
Sometime real soon you'll glow. You'll shine bright through. Take you, but the light is there to hold you down. Take you, but the light is there. You're bolder now. Wake you, but the light is there.
Wow! I just cooked pork.
You can turn it down a bit, like just like 5 or 6.
Pork's all done. We mixed everything all together. Now we gotta wrap them.
You out. Break you, but the light is there. It's over now.
Okay, so basically we made dumplings, and then I dropped Brandy off at home for a couple hours, and now we're just like having some drinks with some friends at my house.
Yes, it's like a lot later now.
Dude,
but...
I'm like I'm so sunburned.
Oh yeah, she's sunburned. I like kind of got
Like-
sunburned. Oh my god, I did get sunburned.
Look. Wait, not my ass. this.
That's so bad.
It burned.
Because she was laying on her stomach the whole time, so like.
Yeah, I know. But next time I'm gonna turn the other side so I'm even.
Yeah, I'm not doing good. I'm like Napoleon ice. I am Napoleon ice cream. Look, it's like brown, white, and red. Oh my god, that's so bad. But here's Maris.
Hey. Marissa's here.
Maris is
But
here.
yes.
We're just playing.
Chris, say hey.
Hey.
We're playing a drinking game where you like guess the cards and I don't know, it gets you pretty messed up.
But yeah, so we just wanted to end the vlog.
And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it kind of turns out. It's kind of been like messy all over
Yeah.
the place. But we pretty much like told you guys all what we did throughout the day. So we hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes, like and
Cannot.
subscribe for more, and we will be back with another video.
Yes,
very
we post
soon.
every Friday and Monday. So please come back for more.
Yes, bye.
Okay, bye.